Well, boys and girls, let's have a little look at non-farm payroll.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If it's your first time here, the big fella Scruff, and sitting next to me is the intense Wonder Wink.
Intent? Why am I intent?
Well, she's writing an email and she's trying to get it right. And she's there like this. Woo. And apparently I'm not allowed to read it because I hawk it too much.
You do? You're always looking over my shoulder.
Well, it's because you always spend it too much.
I am not shopping.
You are. The only reason I hold her hand when we walk past the shops is so I can drag her out of them. No? You like us holding your hand?
Oh, not really.
Yeah.
I get what I want when I'm there on my own.
Yeah. Live with it. Suppose I better pay for it as well. Well, it's non-farm today. So my chart of choice on non-farm is cable. So we're putting that on. I was trading a little bit earlier on today, but I don't like to trade prior to it. And I got a little bit of money out. Sort of 60 quid out of JPY. But I killed it early simply because this is coming. I like to watch what's going on and trade the aftermath. Prior to it, I'm very, very conservative. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll drop this down to a 5-minute chart for you. It'll be a little bit intense for me because it's always a mad day non-farm payroll. But basically what we're doing is we are looking to watch this 5-minute candle, which will be firing up in a few minutes, to see what's going on. Now, the predominant trend of this is down. If you come out to the daily, you'll see it's gone up, it's pushed, it's stalled at this level, and it is pushing away. Now, there is an argument to say you can go long, which you could have done this morning. If you had, you were taking a gamble and a bit of a punt because it is genuinely pushing down, okay? And that can be seen here, all right? So if you were trying to catch this move on a retracement upwards, you might have hit lucky, but eventually, no. But that's the thing with trading. Trade what you see from the higher time frames and then try and align yourself with it. You'll find it's much safer. So what are we going to be doing now? Well, now we're going to wait. Hopefully this will show signs, sort of scream up, get in, shoot down. Likewise, if it shoots down, look to get in to come back on a very quick retracement. But the trick with non-farm is look at it in the moment, that 5 minutes. But if you were going to be trading as a normal trade, look at the prevailing trend. That's kind of why I was saying about that shallow pullback. It looked good, but it was actually shallow. Let's see what we get. Okay, guys, job done. Held my nerve. Did what I wanted it to do using fibs in order to control it. I had my orders set to shut out at the 161. This is something that I was showed the guys earlier on. Where we at? Just while we're talking, if you like Telegram, etc. There it is there. 20 past 2, told them what I was going to be holding out for just now. It's currently 3 o'clock and I'm out. If you're interested, that's a free Telegram group. I set it up so no dickheads can come in. Everybody's a cool guy in there. There's no sellers and they're there just to help each other. So happy days. So I'm super pleased with how this has worked out. I've had a stonking day, as you can see. 800 quid today. I can live with that every day, considering I wasn't really going to be trading this. Now, the premise of this was very simple. I saw the initial burst come in. I then watched for the quick retracement, which I caught, but I had the overall view of going short because that was the prevailing trend. It didn't retrace up into the 50% of the move, which told me that the value was to the short side. So my game plan was, okay, I'm not going to trade it up into here. I'm going to look for the break down into the 127 and then use the 127 to the 161. Very, very simple setup. Pretty well executed. Didn't go against me in the grand scheme of things, and it paid me very well. So there we go. So if you're stuck, I'm very easy found. You find all my contact details below. If you want to try a prop fund, I do recommend the 5%ers, and you'll also find a 5% discount link off that, where it's a low barrier to bigger funds. And if you're looking for a decent broker, you've got the MT5 Black Bull, which is my preferred. Big leverage, small spreads, that sort of thing. So check the description out. There's plenty of links. There's books down there to look at. You name it. And that's it. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.